So this is the live home workout class. We have the releasing exercises, which helps to get us improve more flexibility, blood flow, energy flow, helps get rid of the energy blockages. Okay, let's stretch out the front side now. So make your hands into two little fists. Press them gently to the part, so where the lower back meets your butt, just press them. You can let them rest there. All right. And now from here, right, we're looking straight ahead. Just gently press the hips forward. And just look straight ahead. And we're gonna hold this for 15 seconds. This is gonna stretch out the hip flexors, your lower back, and it's gonna activate your core too. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly come out of that. Great. Now, stand nice wide stance, nice wide, like sumo wrestler stance, okay? And from here, I want you to pretend like there's a chair behind you. You're just gonna kind of gently lower yourself back into that chair, but not quite touching it. And from here, we're gonna pulse, pulse, pulse up and down. Like this. 40 times, that's 4 with a 0. We're already at 10. 20. 30. And 40. Great. Great job. Okay. Now from here, let's put our hands here on the hips. Feet are shoulder width. And let's stir the pot. Let's do 10 big circles. And then we'll do it in the opposite way. If you have tight hips, this one is a great one. It's also good for digestion too. And once you've done about 10, I'm going to do 10 in the opposite way. Four more. All right. Great job. Okay, 2 more releasing exercises. From here, find a wall or something you can use to support your balance. All right. Standing up nice and tall. Let's get this leg in circles. We'll do 10 circles, both directions. Now once you've done it both ways, do the same thing on the opposite leg. when you're done, you can stand up normally. Great. Very good. Okay, last one. We're gonna do a breathing exercise, okay? So you're gonna open up, take a deep breath in through your nose, fill up those lungs with air, and let it out. Deep breath in through the nose, and let it out. Let's do 10. Go at your own pace. Let's get 2 more. Nice deep breath. Last one. Deep breath in. And let it go. Great. How's everybody feeling right now? Feeling a little bit more refreshed?